Hello. Today we are going to show you our Hardinge HLV tool room lathe, serial number 2215-3. It is in excellent condition. All the ways are in very good condition. Go in close there on the ways. It's a little bit of oil on that. Very smooth, and it's the whole way of the whole length of the way. It has Sony 2-axis digital readouts, has the coolant and chip guard, has a KDK quick change tool post, has the Hardinge taper block spindle nose, and of course it's set up for 5C collets. Go ahead and turn it on. Turn it on here. There's your cross feed. Now if you want to reverse that, you can reverse it right here. Also, you have high and low, as well as the variable speed. And then you also have threading. We put the feed in, and there's your threading. And that's reversible as well, in case you wanted to feed back. We have this to engage and disengage for threading. If you know how to thread on a Hardinge, it's a little different. Very nice machine in very good condition. All we gotta do is clean it up. Got a nice coolant pump back here. Show you the back of it. It's got a transformer in it, so the readouts plug in right on the machine. Nice little option, makes life easier. You don't have to run a 110 cord over. Got the lever operated 5C. This is an inch threading machine. And here's the very drive unit. As long as we're talking, there you go. All very clean, very smooth. Brake works, everything works. Thanks for viewing. Give us a call if you have any questions. It's ready for inspection or shipping. Thank you.